In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to merge tasks in ClickUp, step by step. This is a super useful feature when you have duplicate tasks, overlapping work, or you simply want to combine updates, comments, and details into one clean task. If you manage projects in ClickUp, this will help you stay organized and save a lot of time. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, sign into your ClickUp account. Once you're logged in, select the space where your tasks are located. This could be any space you're currently working in, like marketing, operations, or personal projects. Next, click on the list that contains the tasks you want to merge. Make sure you're viewing the correct list, because merging tasks will permanently combine their information. Now, click on the specific task you want to merge. This will open the Task Details panel so you can see all the options available. Inside the task view, look for the three dots icon, also known as the ellipsis, usually located in the top corner of the task window. Click on those three dots to open the Task Options menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Merge. This will open the Merge dialog, where ClickUp asks you to choose a merge destination. Now choose the task you want this task to merge into. This is important because the destination task will keep its task ID, while the merged task's comments, attachments, and activity will be combined into it. Double-check that you've selected the correct destination task. Once confirmed, complete the merge. ClickUp will now merge the tasks together, combining all relevant information into a single task. And that's it. You've successfully merged tasks in ClickUp, helping you reduce clutter and keep your projects clean and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ClickUp tips and tutorials.